Okay guys, welcome to this video where I'm looking at an exam question from a Pearson Edexcel past paper, and it's from the June 2019 series, and it's specifically looking at coordinate geometry. Okay, and it's looking at the AS Pure Maths. Okay, so pause the video guys, try and attempt this question, okay, and then come back and press play. But if it's completely new to you, then please do obviously take some notes, okay, for this exam style question. Question number 1. The line L1 has equation 2x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. The line L2 has equation y equals mx plus 7, where m is a constant. Given that L1 and L2 are perpendicular, so that's quite important, perpendicular, find the value of m. Well, perpendicular means that the gradients are negative reciprocals of one another. So what that means is I'm going to have m1, let's say, times minus 1 over m1. So the product of the gradients will equal -1, guys. So, working out the gradient of L1, so rearrange it in the form y equals mx plus c. So adding 3 to both sides and then taking away 2x, I get 4y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. Dividing both sides by 4, we get that y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 all over 4. So the gradient of L1 is the coefficient of x, so it's the number or the fraction in front of the x. I've got minus 2/4, which same as saying minus a half. So the gradient of L1, guys, is equal to -1/2. Okay, so that means the gradient of L2 is the negative reciprocal of minus a half. So gradient of L2, so m of L2, okay, will equal to 2, guys, because 2 times minus a half gives me -1, guys. Okay, so the value of m, okay, so L2 has the equation y equals 2x plus 7. So hopefully that makes sense, guys, okay? So perpendicular gradient is the negative reciprocal of one another. The products of the perpendicular gradients have to multiply to give me -1, okay? That's the rule, guys. Okay, so the lines L1 and L2 meet at point P. Find the x-coordinate of P. So this is the point of intersection. So I'm going to substitute this equation, so L2 into L1, and form an equation in terms of x. So replacing 4y with 4 lots of this, so I get 2x plus 4y, so 4 lots of 2x plus 7, so 4 lots of 2x plus 7. Okay, take away the 3, okay, so brackets closed, take away the 3 is equal to 0. Now, expanding this single bracket and then collecting all my like terms, I get 2x plus 8x, so 4 lots of 2x is equal to 8x, and then 4 lots of positive 7 is positive 28, guys. Take away the 3 has to equal 0. Okay, so hopefully it's making sense so far, guys. Okay, so when they meet, guys, that's the point of intersection. So you equate both equations together. In this case, I substituted this one into here to work out my x value. So 2x plus 10x equals, plus 8x equals 10x. 28, take away 3 equals 25. But then if I take it over to the right-hand side, I get 10x is equal to minus 25. Okay, when I rearrange it, dividing both sides by 10, so let's just delete that for a second. So dividing both sides by 10 to work out the x-coordinate of P. So dividing both sides by 10, we get that x is equal to minus 2.5, guys. Okay, so the x-coordinate at point P, the x-coordinate of point P is minus 2.5. Okay, so point P has an x-coordinate of minus 2.5, and then if you want to work out the y-coordinate, you would just obviously sub it in to work out what the y-coordinate is into either one of those equations. Okay, for that one. Okay, so that's a typical exam style question for the AS pure math students. It's looking at revision, for straight line graphs, okay, and intersection of straight line graphs. Is looking at coordinate geometry in the AS pure maths series and pure maths topics. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you found it useful. Okay, if you did, please press like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and lastly, click that bell icon so you are notified of my uploads, okay, for GCSE Maths and A-Level Pure Maths, okay. But that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching, okay, and there'll be more exam-style questions for the AS Pure series coming soon, okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon, okay. Bye for now.